awesome explorers! Welcome to our exciting adventure all about the five senses. Today, we're going to discover how we see, hear, smell, taste, and touch the world around us. Come on, let's explore. Look, the sense of sight. These are the eyes. They help you see. I see you. You see me? Our eyes see the beautiful butterflies outside. Now touch your eyes. Eyes, eyes. Good job. Next, the sense of hearing. These are the ears. They help you hear. Listen. Do you hear the birds singing outside? It's a beautiful sound. Go ahead and touch your ears. Ears, ears. Good job, kiddo. Up next is the sense of smell. This is the nose. Your nose helps you to smell different things, like the beautiful flowers outside. Can you touch your nose? Nose, nose. Let's keep going. Let's hop on over to the sense of taste. This is the tongue. Your tongue is in your mouth. Open wide. Your tongue helps you taste different kinds of food, like ice cream. Yum yum. Ice cream is sweet. Or something sour, like a lemon. Ooh, a lemon is sour. You will know it because of your sense of taste. Now touch your tongue. Tongue, tongue. Good job, kiddo. Now last is the sense of touch. You use your hands to touch. Your skin allows you to feel different things and learn about them. Like playing in the sand. Do you like playing in the sand? I love playing in the sand. It's fun. You can feel hot, ouch, or cold, ooh, or even soft, like a teddy bear. When you touch something, your sense of touch helps you to know what you are feeling. Yeah! High five, kiddo! We discovered how we see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. And that was lots of fun. Join us next time for more fun learning adventures. Goodbye! Don't forget to subscribe.
Goodbye.